Yo, what up, guys? Me, Beanie. We're back for another video. Today, I'm Batman. And guys, I have to say something. I'm Batman. Now I'm joking. I am Deadpool from X-Men Wolverines. The worst version of Deadpool. If they don't have katanas, that's on me. Because I actually... If they had blades, I don't want to use something called let's just get to the movie. Pause the movie here. When I was recording this, I did not know that, guess what? He could teleport. Okay, let's go back. And also pause. When I was recording this video, I did not know he could, I did watch the movie recently. Now it's just on pause for a little bit. When I was watching the movie, guess what? I figured out, he could teleport. He could use laser vision, which I generally did not know. I just knew that he had these types of blades, which I'm using sticks for because they're cheap, and because that movie was that bad that they deserved these things. If you like the movie, you like the movie. Just a lot of people just hate it. I think that, there's a reasons why people hated Spider-Man 3. I thought it was good. I thought it was a great movie, but just, it wasn't as good as the other two. Being, first one's the best, second one is being the second movie, and third one will be, but now that I think of it, there was, I lined it up exactly how I thought, exactly how I wanted it to line up. Because when I watched Andrew Garfield and the Tom Holland ones, I generally didn't. I watched 2 of them in theaters, 2 of them I weren't alive in. Well, 3. I'm at 4, but the other 4... I was alive because I was born in 2014. I'm not saying what month, that's the only thing. Bro, I dropped my blade. Bro, imagine if this actually happened in the movie. I'm having it unpaused, but I'm talking during this. Because, bro, this sucked. The amount of times I had to reshoot the video because people were talking in the background is crazy. And at this point of the video, let's just say this, I did not know what to do. So, I don't know why, but I was just not talking during the whole movie, or the whole thing, but I was only talking during the thing where I said, yo, what up, guys, it's me, Beanie. That's the only part I talked in during the whole thing. And oh my goodness gracious. That was horrible. Because guess what? This took me a long time to figure out what I should do for the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna unpause. Well, not unpause, but go back to the original audio. Okay, it's Future Beanie here. I did not realize during this whole thing that I got that it can't climb. Animal Company is not good. And if we're doing Fortnite, I can actually do it. Because I own Deadpool. Say the W's in the chat. But the one bad thing is, I don't own the original. I think it's probably the best. I don't know why, but when I was recording this, I did not notice that I was online. Thank goodness nobody joined my code because, yeah, I think somebody might join. I haven't edited it. I only got to the closer part of time. I don't know why, but when I record a video, usually, I forget a lot of the time what to do. I just go along with it. I record a video, know my main idea, and let's just say I go along with that. So if I'm saying like I'm going to do a Deadpool or Hulk, I'm going to actually use it, and I'm going to do everything that I could think. I had nobody to be any of them. So just imagine people are here, because I do not know how to add some random robots. If I jump down, I'm just imagining that somebody is getting killed. Not being killed, but like getting what that dude did. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. Okay, we're going back to the original audio of the movie. Oh, and also guys, I forgot about one whole thing. I forgot to add the thing. And, by the way, there is a part where I drop my weapons. And that is coming up soon. I don't know when, but I'll get back to the audio. Okay, I'm going to go back to the audio. You guys are, by the way, this thing was posted and also like about a couple minutes ago. So usually I'm just going to do the thing where I talk when I was recording or after I was recording. And this is when the point really started, where I forgot that I was posting the correct thing, and people in the background kept on talking, which is my mom's sister. Not really my dad, but I think my dad has talked once. That'll be, I think, hopefully a little bit later into the video. Or I just cut that out. You guys guess. Guesses. And also, what should be my next villain or superhero? because Deadpool has never been a villain or a superhero. Except X-Men Origins Wolverine, yeah, but they did him so badly. Why did myself do all of that? So, okay. Also, when I was recording this, I did not notice that I kept on hitting stuff, which I cut it out. I cut it out some of the, let's say, I'm going to add this screen back, because this is my finishing cut, where I go onto like a log. I stopped it, because I have really decent things. I paused the video there, and I jumped up and tried to hit this log right here. Then let's go back to past me in a couple seconds. Okay. Because past me, I'm still recording. You're going to see me very far away. Okay. Past me, here back. Here it comes. Okay, I'm done editing for a little bit. Here you guys are. I'm gonna do voiceover again. I am sorry for the people that wanted him to be silent for this, but I tried my best. Very sorry. Get back to the video. See ya. Okay guys, this is going to give you a warning. This is going to be really long thing. So, here is some things of me and Zaxxon Sage from yesterday's video that I was trying to make. Yeah. Flip, bro. I can't make this. And because I wasn't talking during this, I just did this because I was expecting something to happen yesterday, so I just recorded it. Just because I knew what was going to happen, so I could remember tomorrow, but that never happened. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll let you guys go. Just keep on watching me and understand where I was just at. Oh, I was actually just right here. Okay. Here's the original one. Future Beanie back. Guess what, guys? I don't even know how this video's still going. I suck at singing. Let's figure out if or not. What am I doing here, bro? What am I doing at a Coke machine? What the? Okay, by the way, guys, this is gonna be a really dumb thing. If you don't want to see me doing something dumb, skip ahead a little bit. I have not checked where I'm at. I'm not planning to check. Dude, how did I mess that up? I am so sorry, guys. This might take me a while. Fast forward, because I don't know how to fast forward videos yet. There we go. Somehow I got in here. No! No! Okay. I was thinking in my head, because I did not want you guys to. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the original audio. Bye. Goodbye, guys.